Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to lock Incognito tab on your Google Chrome browser in your Android phone. So for this guys, you need to open the Chrome browser and go to settings. In the settings, open the privacy and security option like this, and here guys you can get the option lock Incognito tab when you leave Chrome. So just you need to enable this option, okay, and then it will ask you to enter your phone password, enter it, and then when you open the Incognito tab on your Google Chrome browser like this, while using this tab, in case you suddenly close your browser and then when you open the Incognito tab once again, it will ask you to enter your phone password, okay. As you can see guys, after entering the password, it will access you the Incognito tab. So in case this feature is not showing on your browser, you need to update your browser. Open the Google Play Store and search Google Chrome and simply go ahead update your browser, okay. So that's for today guys, a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.